Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 new features that WhatsApp just introduced. So the first one is voice chat. Instead of starting a voice call in a group, you can just swipe down like this, and as you can see, keep holding and now release to connect. You're going to see talk together. This is faster and easier to use than a voice call, so you don't have to start the voice call. It is better and faster than a voice call. The second one is the option to select participants that you want to call in a WhatsApp group. If you click on this call icon at the top right corner, you're going to see Select People. You can now select the people that you want to call, so you don't have to call everyone at once. Now click on Voice or Video. The third feature is in WhatsApp Status. So now if you want to create a new status, click on this camera icon. You're going to see the option for layout. With this layout, you can select multiple photos that you want to post at once. So I'm going to select these 4 pictures, and now click on Next. You're going to grid them together as you can see. You can now adjust each of them, change the grid or layout style, and pick any one of your choice. That's it. Once you're done, click on Done at the top right corner. I'm going to use this one, so let's click on Done. As you can see, you can now post it on your status. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.